Hey everyone, hi! Welcome back to Unlocked English Fluency. Today, Sarah and I just want to sit and talk about something that feels very real. Talking about learning new skills. You know, in everyday life, we meet friends, family, new people, and being able to share, hey, I'm learning something new. It creates such nice connections. It makes your English speaking feel alive, more confident. And honestly, it helps your fluency grow naturally because you're talking from your heart.
Aw, Maurice, I felt that. This topic is so close to me because learning new things, it brings so many emotions. Excitement, fear, pride, all mixed together, right?
Exactly, that mix. I get nervous just thinking about starting something new. But then when I push through, it feels so good. Like last year, I decided to learn photography, just with my phone at first.
Photography, wow. That's beautiful. How did you start? I mean, what made you want to do it?
Honestly, I was walking in the park one evening, the light was golden, and I thought, I want to capture this feeling. So I started watching videos, trying different angles. At first, my photos were blurry or too dark. I felt kind of silly.
I understand that feeling completely. When you begin, everything looks wrong. But you kept going. That's the part I love.
Yeah, I did. And slowly I learned about light, about composition. Now, sometimes my friends say, send me that picture. It's so nice. That little compliment, it means everything.
That's so sweet. See, those moments are why we learn new skills. Not just to be good, but to feel alive, to share joy with others. And when you talk about it in English, your words carry that joy.
True. You know, people listen more when you're excited. Like if I say, I'm learning to bake cakes these days. Suddenly, everyone has questions. What kind of cakes? Is it hard?
Yes, I remember when I told my cousin I'm learning French. She got so excited. Teach me one word, she said. And just like that, we were laughing and practicing together.
That's the magic. It turns a normal chat into something warm. And for our English, it helps because we repeat words naturally. Like, I'm getting better. It's challenging but fun. I feel proud when.
Exactly those phrases. They come up again and again when we talk about learning, and they feel real, not forced.
Right. Let me think. Another example from me. I started journaling in English last month. Just a few lines every night. At first, I didn't know what to write. My sentences were short, simple.
But that's perfect. Starting small is how we build confidence. How do you feel now?
Much better. Now I write longer. I even describe my day with feelings, like, today I felt tired but happy because I learned a new editing trick. It helps my speaking too, because I hear the sentences in my head.
That's so smart. I should try that. Actually, I've been learning to play the ukulele. Just 3 songs so far. But when I strum and sing, even badly, I feel free. It heals something inside.
I can imagine. Music does that. Does it make you emotional sometimes?
Oh, yes, very. The first time I played a full song without stopping, tears came. Not sad tears, happy ones. I felt, wow, I did this.
That's beautiful, Sarah. Moments like that, they stay with us forever. And sharing them, even in simple English, makes other people feel less alone in their own learning journey.
Yeah, I think so too. Like, we all go through the same ups and downs, the frustration, the small victories, the days we want to quit.
Exactly. I had a day like that with photography. I tried to shoot at sunset, but my battery died. I was so annoyed. But next day, I charged everything and tried again.
And you went back. That's strength. That's what we need to tell ourselves. Okay, today was hard, but tomorrow I try again.
Yeah, try again. Such simple words, but powerful. And when we say them out loud, they become real.
Hmm. Let's do a little practice, like we're meeting someone at a cafe. Okay, you start.
Sure. Hi, I'm Maurice. Nice to see you here. So, what's new with you?
Hi, Maurice. Good to see you too. Actually, I've started learning how to swim. Adult lessons because I never learned as a kid.
Wow, that's brave. How's it going? Are you enjoying it?
Kind of. The first class I was terrified. The water felt cold, deep, but the teacher's patient. Now I can float and do a little freestyle. I feel proud.
You should be proud. That's huge. I'm scared of deep water too, so I respect that a lot.
Thank you. That means a lot. What about you? Anything new?
Yeah, I'm learning to make coffee like a barista. You know, latte art, all that. Yesterday I made a heart. It was crooked, but still a heart.
A cricket heart is still love. Show me next time. I'll drink it happily.
Deal. See, just talking like this, it feels easy. The words come because we care about the story.
True. And our English gets better without us forcing it because we're sharing real life.
Yeah, and you know what? Everyone watching right now, maybe you're learning something too. Maybe it's driving, maybe drawing, maybe speaking English itself.
Yes. And we want to know. In the comments, share with us. What new skill are you trying? How does it make you feel?
Try writing one sentence, like, I'm learning to sing these days, and it makes me happy even when I sound bad, or whatever is true for you.
Or, I started running and I feel stronger every week. Small, honest sentences. And if you can, say them out loud too. It helps your speaking flow.
Exactly. No pressure to be perfect. We're all practicing, growing together.
I get a little emotional reading your comments sometimes. You share your fears, your wins, and it feels like we're friends.
Same here. You give us so much inspiration. Thank you, really, from the heart.
Thank you. And if this conversation felt warm to you, maybe press like. It helps us keep making these.
And if you want more chats like this, one that feels like sitting with friends, subscribe and tap the bell so you're here with us next time.
We'll keep showing up, talking slowly, sharing honestly, because learning English and learning anything is better when we do it together.
Yeah, together. So take care, everyone. Keep trying new things, keep speaking, keep smiling.
Lots of love. See you soon.
Bye for now. Love you all.